Good morning, travelers. How are you this morning? I feel like I'm on a scavenger hunt because there's a bunch of us traveling together, and it's like hurry up and go here and hurry up and go there, and you know, catch up with everybody, and it's kind of funny, but that's what I feel like. And I think I'm gonna have to move because UPS is in here wanting my spot, I think. Anyway, well, here I am today at the Olympic National Park Visitor Center, and these are displays of different animal tracks. Anyway, this is a relief map of the Olympic mountain range, and we're going around that. And that's our trip around the Olympic Loop. We are right here today, and we're gonna go up here to Lyre River, I think, and then work our way around. We're taking 101 going around. Talking in my ear.
Talking, yes. Now, peace. You know, if you put that camera facing up, that would really look cool, like this. I just thought I'd mess with it.
He's messing with me. Yeah, peace. So I'm going to take a walk through this area and show you some stuff. We've got a cougar up there. I don't want to meet one of those in the wild. Yeah, look at that. 1349. Okay. All the way out to 1938, I guess, is when it was cut down, or a little later. Early whaling boats. Anyway, here's a blue heron and a Chinook salmon. Anyway, that's what you'll find when you find your park. This is how you park at a national park when everybody's together. There's my rig, and Moo Travels, and Dory's rig, and Michelle's rig, and Pandemonium, and Mobile Traveler, and there's Mike getting into his camper. This is what you do when you have to turn around and you're on the wrong road. So you turn around, you back up, you flip a U-ey, and you go. And this is what happens. Oh well, our fearless leader got us on the wrong road, and I won't tell you who it was, but I think it's the Mobile Traveler. Life is full of adventures, and you never know where it's going. Anyway. at Lyre River Campground, and we're all scrambling to find a spot where we can pull in. It's pretty hard getting in and out and around, but we're gonna figure it out. I'll let you look around in a minute. Randy getting settled. Mike's next. Mike's getting ready to park. Camp host. 360 gal is beyond camp host. She's right there. Yeah, if it was warm, Jake would want to come and swim down here. But it ain't warm.
Hello.
Hi. Say hi.
Hola.
Hi.
Say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Say hi. Hi.
We're just having a fire. Say hi to Jake. Hi, Jake. Yes, Jake's nose is banged up. Don't give me no shit about it. Jakey. Jake has an infection that he is being treated for. Jake. Look, Jake. Say hi to your fans. Say hi to your fans. That's a good thing. I'm going to take this little walking path and see where it goes. That they've got. It's about a mile, so I probably won't take all of it. Maybe, I don't know. But it's a little loop here through the trees. Probably going to be flat boring because there's nothing really to see, I don't think. But we'll see. Look at that. Like, I don't know what's growing in there, but it almost looks like termites or mushrooms or something on this tree. Anyway, onward. Let's see what's back here. This is kind of cool. Jake, look at me. Stop pulling, Mr. Jake. Yes, he's on this walk with me. So, come on. We don't want to do no falling. Lots of tree ruts down here on the ground. Fallen trees. Kind of cool though. Kind of way cool. Okay, we got to go downhill here. So I'm going to shut you off in case I tip it to the river. I'd like to get on the river if I could. But that's just too steep for me to go down. And I mean, yeah, there's no foot grabbies. Anyway. Come here and let him get wet. Maybe he'll be happy. There you go, Jake. A little cold, is it? A little chilly? Yeah, he's determined. It's pretty dang chilly. I haven't touched it. I have no want to touch it. None. This is the Lyre River. I don't know if there's any fish in it or not. Pretty shallow for fish. I'm sure there's fish somewhere. Jake? Gotta keep him from pulling me. I don't have the balance I need to be able to deal with this. And he's not always working hard. So So he's being a dog. So the loop trail continues that way, or I can go up that way and go to a campsite. Which do I want to do? I'll try the campsite for now. Because the loop trail looks a little ominous going that way for me. It probably isn't. But we'll take the campsite route. We'll wimp out. Oh, this looks ominous too. Up and over. Oh, we come right back into a campsite. Right back into Panda's campsite. Okay. So I think I'll go back and take the route, the trail. This is Aja's spot right there. That is Panda. No, that's Panda trying to get sunshine, and there isn't a whole lot. Anyway, let's try back this way. Jake? Come on, Grace. Let's go. See, Jake, if I hold him, I have a place to hold. He can help me balance going down these hills, which for me are very difficult. Anyway, we're still on this trail. And we'll see what it looks like up here. Here's that ominous hill. Come on, Jake, pull. 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 Attaboy, pull. Alright, now brace. Easy. Easy brace. Good pull weight. Sorry you can't see him. I would have to hold my video just like this so that you can watch him work. But you can hear us going through. And now he can be his dog self until I need him again. And we'll see. So, Jake, watch it. Watch your nose. Alright, come here. Come here. Hold up. Alright, brace. You gotta go downhill again. So, ouch. He stepped on me. Easy. See how slow he goes? Easy. Very slow, very easy. Alright, take off. And now he can do his thing. Yeah. There he goes. Oh, check these guys out. These are mushrooms. Jake, don't pull. These are mushrooms. Where'd they go? There they are. Mushrooms. There's not very many campsites here. I think there's like... That's the campsite board. I just did this walk loop and came back. That's where Panda is. That's where Dory is. That's where Moo is. That's where Michelle 360 Gal is. Camp host. Mike. Randy. Myself. And then I guess there's one or two more campsites. And then there's this one here. There's a campsite where 3 people other than our group are. Thanks for traveling. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Remember, always follow your heart, embrace your dreams, and cherish your life. Get out there and do something fun today. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.